Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Grid X and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch. You can do it by pressing the back button. Once you open the menu, you can use the touchscreen or the buttons to scroll through the menu. I'm gonna use the buttons because I prefer this option, but like I said, you can use also the touchscreen. So scroll through the menu, select the settings icon, or rather find the settings icon and then select it by tapping on it or by pressing the button. Now scroll down through the menu, find the option called time and date and select it. And here we can change the time, date and couple more options. So first let's select time, select the time format, for example 24 hours, and then we can set the time. We can change the hours, minutes. Of course you can use the touchscreen if you want to, but I prefer the buttons. Okay, so adjust the time, and once you're done, press the button to confirm. Now let's go back, or rather go down to date, select date, adjust the date, like that. Then we can scroll down, select date format, and here we can select the format of the date on our watch. We have the year first, month second and day last, month first, day second and year last, or month first, day second and year last. Two of them are the same. That's weird, but I guess it works. Oh, because one of them has the dashes instead of dots. Okay, that's how they differ. Okay, so select the format you like that. And then you can scroll even more down, and here we have the option to select the first day of the week. And you can select it, and you can select Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Select the one you like that. And once you're done customizing your time and date, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time and date on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.